is the 4th day of December 2017. My name is Jeff Barkler. In today's video, I will prove that Supreme Court of Appeal Registrar Linda Joyce Bush lied in a court document to protect Mills Oakley lawyer Mark Civitella from filing a defence to a notice to admit facts in the matter of CACV 7 of 2016, Barkler v. Civitella, Part 1. Fact 1. The Supreme Court of Appeal Rules 2005, Reg 5, subsection 1 states the following, and I quote, "These rules must be read with the rules of the Supreme Court," end quote, proving the rules of the Supreme Court are relevant in the Supreme Court of Appeal. Fact 2. The rules of the Supreme Court 1971, Order 30, Rule 2, Notice to Admit Facts, subsection 1, states the following, and I quote, "A party to a cause or matter may, by notice in writing at any time not later than 7 days before the day for which the notice of trial has been given, or which has otherwise been appointed for trial, serve on any other party a notice requiring him to admit, for the purpose of that cause or matter only, a fact or facts specified in the notice," end quote. The words "a party to a cause or matter may," M-A-Y, by notice in writing at any time, means permission is granted by the rules to file and serve a notice to admit facts. And the words "requiring him to admit" means the rules impose a legal obligation on another party to comply with these rules and admit or dispute facts. Fact 3. On the 15th of February 2016, I filed and served a notice to admit facts on Mark Civitella. I note Mark Civitella failed to file a defence to this notice to admit facts as required by law. But wait, it gets better. Fact 4. On the 4th of March 2016, 17 days after I serve a notice to admit facts, Supreme Court of Appeal Registrar Linda Joyce Bush issues a court document in CACV 7 of 2016, Barkler v. Civitella, and I quote, "I refer to your request for a hearing dated the 24th of February 2016, which attaches a notice to admit facts dated the 15th of February 2016. The documents have not been accepted for filing as they are not required or permitted by the Supreme Court of Appeal Rules 2005, end quote. Folks, I take you back to fact 1. These rules must be read with the rules of the Supreme Court, not might be, not maybe, not could be, but must be read with the rules of the Supreme Court, proving Registrar Bush lied in a Supreme Court of Appeal document protecting Mills Oakley lawyer Mark Civitella, who failed to file a defence to a notice to admit facts, #fraud. Folks, courts of law exist to judge the issues on the facts according to law. What kind of court doesn't want to know the facts? A kangaroo court. The very minute we as people accept corruption and abuse of public office by those in authority like Registrar Linda Joyce Bush, our society will fail. Mark Civitella and Registrar Bush, your conduct is embarrassing to the Supreme Court, and the fact that you have to lie and cheat to beat me is a disgrace. Mr. Civitella, you knew that you could not defend the facts against you, so you had Registrar Bush deny me this statutory right, #organised crime. Not only have you disgraced the courts and yourselves, but you are in violations of the Crimes Act 1914 and the Criminal Code Act 1995. Folks, the fact is I've been denied a notice to admit facts many times over. I fear for my safety as Mark Civitella and Registrar Bush will not like these videos because it exposes their criminal conduct which they are trying to conceal. I have violated no laws, so why is it that I fear for my safety? because telling the truth in a world of deceit is a revolutionary act. Please check out some of my other videos, and thank you for watching. #Murphy's Law.